viewers, welcome to my channel. I am Preview. I'm an artist and I just love working with colors. So today we will work with fluorescent colors like fluorescent green and yellow, and I'm also going to try some silver. I'm used to working with a lot of gold and silver, but in spray paint, not in the pouring art actually. And I'm not going to make too many cells as I'm working on a project with Species. So here I'm going to try a bigger canvas and see how the silver pops up with fluorescent green, yellow, a very dark but vibrant green, and let's have some fun. So it's going to be a longer video because the canvas is bigger. So let me know also if you like it and what you would like to see, because I am really a color girl. I work with so many colors. So thank you. Okay, let's go. I'm gonna start off with pure silver. I just love silver. Gonna pour a bit here and a bit here and just a very tiny bit here. Alright, and on the silver I'm gonna intersect every layer with white. Just a bit of white, and then I made a fluorescent green. Gonna pour some green on it. Green here, just a dip, and green here, and then some white. Not too much. Don't have too much green, do I? And then the darker green. I just love that darker green. Very dark green from VALLEJO. It's very good paint, VALLEJO. It's very consistent also. So I only mix with water, loads of water, and I have my bright yellow. My bright yellow. I love my bright yellow. And I never worked with silver before. So here, let's pour the white around. One more white and even on it. Okay. And here, I just blow. And I can see I don't have enough of that silver, so I'm gonna add a bit silver here. Just add it right there. I just follow my intuition. And I'm gonna take a straw. And then I just love that. And alright, see how the cells pop up. Some more here, and then okay. some more white. And then I'm starting to blow the white over it. Okay. Right here. And then I'm gonna try the other side. I'm not okay totally with my light green, so here I'm just gonna add and the yellow. Along just the white up. Blow that through. That is what I love. And then I'm gonna take away a bit, just with a paper towel. Take that away. And here, because I want a bit more of a white space actually. So add some white. And so here I come along with my green again, just adding and adding, and this way. So. Okay, I love this. Now, I'll let this dry a bit and now I can blow it out. This is what I love. Looks like a sea wolf actually. So here I'm gonna pedal again. Whoop-a. I'm not torching yet. I mean, for me to torch, most of the time I actually wait like 15 minutes because I love the effects. I don't like two bigger cells. But it's nice though. I like them to pop up here. So everything needs to be in harmony. That's why I connect, right? That's like a throat of a big sea lion, if you can see it. And so here, that is going on my nose. So a bit of white here, a bit of white here on the top. I think it satisfies me very much. Yeah. And okay, that's like a green tunnel. What? You can see the silver just moves into everything. Wonder how it's going to look like when silver dries, because I thought it would mix a lot more with white, but it doesn't. But yeah, it's experimenting, right? Yeah, and a bit more white in between that here. That looks great. Oh yeah, right. Sorry. Yeah, I could work for hours on just one work, and as I'm gonna leave that space as it is. I'm gonna add a tiny bit of yellow up there, yellow up here, and all the rest I'm gonna pull that tail up. It's very, very wide. So it looks like a species actually. So here's my green right here. And that is my last touch. I want my last touch up here. It's like the sea is spreading. So, there we go. That looks good. Okay. Wow, yeah, I like it. So, my last touch coming up. It's more like I love working with this needle. Just a needle, simple needle. And then spread a bit like how I want it. Yeah, I like it this way. So that just taking the green points, yeah, a bit here and up there. So that looks like a crocodile. Okay, I'll let that be as it is. Yeah, I love it. Hope you can see it. And here, that bit. Just right here, I don't like that. So, yeah. Okay. Okay then, let's have a closer look. As I noticed, I didn't put the camera very wide, so I'm very sorry for that. You can see I got very tiny cells, so not in the yellow as I wanted it. And the yellow sparks out like fluorescent, you can see. These species, these are so beautiful, I just love it. Yeah, that's great. That's what I wanted, my sea species. I hope you like it. Let's see when it dries up and how it looks like, because I think with this VALLEJO colors change all the time. So let me know if you like it, and comment and challenge me, and you know, tell me what colors you like, and I'll try that out definitely. I'll show you when it's dried up. Okay, thank you so much for being with me. Thank you for subscribing, taking the bell, you know, and just being together. I love this one. Look at these species coming out.